Hi, I'm Scott Herold, lead architect at VisionCore and designer of Virtualization Ecoshell. I wanted to take a few moments today to thank everybody for coming out and spending a one-day session on the Virtualization Ecoshell being presented by XTG. In addition, I want to thank the organizers for spending the time to put the event together. So thank you Arnim, Marcel, Arne, and of course Viktor. In addition, I want to extend a very special thank you to our guest presenter, Renouf, who's a very active member in the Vesi community and really helps drive the technology and has actually gone out of his way to extend new capabilities and plugins on top of the framework that we've provided. Hopefully today he's going to be able to share with you some of his information and show you how you can really use Virtualization Ecoshell not only to make your daily administration of your virtual environments better and easier, but also show how you can truly make it your utility with your own customizations. I'm very excited today to see the community come together and actually be able to have an event dedicated to the Virtualization Ecoshell. This highlights what I really was trying to achieve when I first put the product together, and that's providing an open framework in which everybody can share information, share their scripts, and share their general knowledge about virtualization, just like I was able to with the first version of the product, and really see how this can be extended out not just in virtualization, but start to consume other areas of management just to make the life of the daily administrator better. Really happy to see people like the organizers of the event and Renouf coming and continuing to share their knowledge, which will only make the community stronger and better and really help people take full advantage of their virtual environments that they've heavily invested in. One of the things that I want to ensure everybody is aware of is VisionCore, and myself included, are very committed to helping the community and maintaining the freeware version of this product to really help you guys drive your initiatives forward with virtualization. And again, just make it easier for you guys to do what you need to do on a daily basis. Within the next few weeks, you're going to be seeing some changes to our community in which we're going to be significantly upgrading our platform, continuing our outreach, being able to have better communication with our customers, not only being able to listen to some of the requests that they have, but also give a better platform for us to share our knowledge and our information and help educate why we're making the choices that we are in software design and product around what we're doing in the virtualization space, and being able to have better communication with our current and potential customers as well as our community members to drive these initiatives forward and share as much information as we can. I wanted to talk to you today about some updates that we have coming over the next 9 months in Virtualization Ecoshell. One of the challenges that I've had up to this point is finding development resources when I have a free product. So fortunately, with the success of the community, we've been able to achieve over 20,000 downloads since April of 2009 of Virtualization Ecoshell, which is tremendous when it comes to providing software and being able to drive it further just through community efforts with no corporate marketing and minimal budget to be able to provide these solutions to you. Fortunately, we've had enough success in which I'm going to be having some R&D resources assigned, and we're going to be able to take this to the next level. So I want to share some of my ideas with you guys to help validate and help drive excitement and awareness of where we're taking this technology moving into the future. With the 1.2.6 version, which is coming within the next few weeks, this is a complete PowerPack rewrite. So all of the scripts, all of the functions that we've previously written are being redone to support some of the changes that were made in PowerCLI 4 Update 1. The main change to this is how we do our session management around which objects belong to which virtual center server. In previous versions of PowerCLI, VMware did not have any session management, which means we had to put that into our scripts and into our code, which made it difficult to copy and paste items out of Ecoshell and required some very specific scripts to be added, or lines of code to be added into scripts in Virtualization Ecoshell for them to function. With this 1.2.6 update, that's going away. We'll be able to download scripts directly from Luke Deacon's or Renouf's website or from the VNTN communities and be able to plug it directly into the Virtualization Ecoshell and have it function the same way that it would as a standalone script. In addition, it's going to make exporting scripts much easier, where you can copy and paste code from the PowerShell code tab or from the editor and use it directly in PS1 files for scheduled tasks. Moving forward with the 1.3.0 version, we want to be able to extend these capabilities even further by making it simpler to import and export these capabilities, provide better search technology directly into the product to find scripts, import them, and create new actions in your environment just with a few simple mouse clicks and web search. In addition, we want to make it easier to export scripts and schedule them to run directly within the user interface to minimize the number of steps that are required. As we look forward longer term, one of the things that we want to do is get deeper into change and configuration management, as well as deeper reporting around what we can get out of our virtual environments. There's all kinds of information that's easily accessible now through the magic of what PowerShell provides, and we want to be able to provide stronger reporting capabilities, more reports, better reports, and fully customizable with the information that you need, how you need to view it. In addition, we want to be able to track changes within the infrastructure better, be able to encapsulate what any configuration within the whole virtual environment looks like at any point in time, and using a snapshot tree style of methodology, allow people to roll back changes, identify changes done by specific individuals or during specific time frames, and selectively choose which changes you want to roll back or audit or better understand, and have a back and forth capability to very quickly track something changed over the last 3 days. Here's a list of all the changes. Let's revert 4 of those 8 changes that occurred and see how the performance of our infrastructure is impacted. If we find out what the root cause was, we can roll the changes that didn't impact performance right back in around the configuration and not have any configuration issues or challenges outside of being able to track down root cause much easier by capturing this information. So there's just a little bit of insight into where we're going to be taking this technology in the next coming months, and other opportunities that we have to continue to extend virtualization Ecoshell, not just into new capabilities, but also bringing existing Vision Core products, such as vRanger Pro and vFog Lite and vControl, into the product to give administrators one single location for reporting and management of not just the virtual environment itself, but the overall management around the surrounding components of the virtual infrastructure itself. So very exciting times for Vision Core and what we want to be able to do with vEcoshell and provide to our customers, our potential customers, and of course, our community members. As a side note, if anybody does want to reach out and communicate with me, you can reach out over Twitter to my personal account, which is VMGuru, not to be confused with the vmguru.nl guys. And in addition, you can also reach out through the Vesi Twitter account, which is simply the Vesi. In addition, I am going to be in the Netherlands. I missed it by 1 week, unfortunately, April 14th and 15th evenings. So if anybody's around in Amsterdam area on that Wednesday or Thursday night, I'm always up for having a good grolsch or a duvel while I'm visiting the Netherlands. So please, if anybody has some free time, shoot me an email or find me on Twitter. Reach out to me and let's see if we can get together and have a little bit of fun in Amsterdam. Thanks a lot, everybody.